A pressure bus fight, and I nah lose my cool. Me hungry enough nights, still hungry I bus try, but me I want it all.
Oh, you lock down country and a stimulus now give out, pussy. Not even $1,000 a week for you pitney them. Not even $2,000-3,000 a week for you them for buy a local grocery. You just done sister that can't buy no grocery. Go suck your man. Go suck your man.
You are my best friend. I don't ever want our friendship to run. Lion and Lioness viewers and subscribers, you are heaven sent. You are the reason I am vlogging again. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You don't know what health over it's seen. Trust in the Most High, He will never let you down. My viewers and subscribers, anyone in the world, big up on yourself and my lion and my lioness. Stay firm in mind. You see me, I say, stay conscious, righteous, hold the faith, keep trying, never give up. Zine, no my viewers and subscribers in this episode. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. Zine, help the channel grow when you share the content. Them Zine, YouTube, put them out there. And, you know what I mean? So big up each and every one. Yeah, man. Welcome all of the silent listeners, them and the active one, them. Holy love, welcome to the family. I don't know why you say you get the righteousness and the realness and the factual things. Them we're unbiased. You see me? Yes, very relative life reasoning matter, you know what I mean? I will cover everything. We say equality, diversity, empathy. You see what I say? Live and let others live. You see what I say? Burn discrimination, burn hatred, burn grudge, burn bad mind. You see what I say? Yes. Now my viewers and subscribers, big up Prettidon. You know, Prettidon is a lady, you know, who have a male personality. See, but in real life she's a female, but I don't know she's a lesbian. Yeah, and I admire her because she's real, she be herself, she burn her fire, she funny. And so me I say, yeah, but I don't know, as me say, a life, and sometimes God create people just born certain way. As me I say, man born with woman hormones, woman born with man hormones. As me I say, from birth, and then just grow that way. So you see me, big up Prettidon, yeah. No my viewers and subscribers, Prettidon, I just Andrew only, so wicked. And I say, yo, I love this. But I'm not gonna say much. I'm gonna hear Prettidon and say, you see me then at the end, I will give my little 2 pence as usual. Since I don't gonna be in there, yo, I don't know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. See? So here Prettidon I say.
But me feel like say him take on the rights when man lock on up in a house for 1 weekend straight for the whole Easter because him a government badness and him can't do it. You see me I deal with, hey, Andrew, you not get an next term, you know? You, sir, you not get a next blood clot. Nobody in Jamaica don't like you right now. I labor right, let me see a turn back to Bumbucker. Like a big blood clot you turn, bad man. You feel me? Adi? Papa, what you do at Jamaica, nobody else never does that, you know. When I look at blood clot instead of one party that ram in our yard, you know. Big wall boy, you know. You want waste man of a Bumbucker prime minister, boy, you take away people in rights. Nobody now vote for your suckwood because guess what now? Nobody never vote for you if you can do this a Bumbucker. You shame the people, me embarrass the people and vote. Drunk, eh? Just because people don't want to take your little blood clot vaccine every day you come on TV about corona this gone up, corona gone. Move Bumble and go talk about the crime and violence we are going to Jamaica because corona not kill no Bumbucker body suckwood. Corona not kill nobody, but every day you come on people to the TV with your big Bumbucker nose big like one fist to pussy hole. But the corona cases have been going up. Move Bumble hole. And you go take a fucking shot good. Pussy. Every day you get up, boy. Yo, corona this, corona that, and a lock up people in them blood clot house. That dog shit. You need to go lock up your Bumbucker wife and feel pussy clot pitting them in our house, drunk and go. Allow the people them. Because every day blood clot corona case I go up and now we family they not dead. Pussy will lie big nose boy. You too pussy clot lie. Nobody boy and have no corona more than you. You look a blood clot thinking squad. You frozen like pussy clot. The doctor them don't have blood clot on. Drunk boy. But pussy, since you are not a blood clot leader for Jamaica, you just a face. Run up in your bumbo clot daddy. You walk and lock me up like blood clot LLUs. You cannot touch me. Me know you can't stitch you when see or whatever you want to call it down there. Fuck you. Fuck all of you. Fuck you, you blood clot demon. Jankro. Eh? You want to lock you up in and then you want to come beg for vote and come talk about you, man. Hot song. Want to vote. Suck your mother. Don't play no more song. Right now the whole island orange like chump face. That me I try to tell you. Bumbo whole idiot. Right now some people never vote for blood clot PNP yet. All at the drunker party. Nobody don't get no fucking vote. No fucking body. All of the politicians have blood clot same thing. Fuck all of them. Fuck everyone. Wanna give we country for run. We tired of no. We want it for run for ourselves. Post give we make we crash it. We know already clot up in our wall right. There's a reverse in a one truck and one car running outside. Give we make we drive you know. Give we make we blood clot drive because the whole town is a set of fucking idiot. But you know got blood clot university. I went to the university and I studied. You don't study nothing. More than half you can teach people blood clot money. Because we go to a country that all do a blood clot crashy. Then come blame we every day. Yes! We have murder on a bomb clot too. Yes, we have dirt. One time we not get to where we vote for. We have dirt on a bomb clot. I want them come catch down their blood clot for you. You know what? Grammar zone that pussy clot and catch your blood clot fire and make you all on a tan in that and perish. You know all pussy all drunk. Eh? I want to know. You know fuck up everything. Then you know what and blame the country. Now the country locked down 40 days, 40 bomb buckle at night. Pussy all ya Jesus. Ya God. Ya fucking God. Me can't even come out in my backyard. Yes, me have a big sound in there. Me can't turn you on in my yard. You sit on my yard, me down my yard. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. You're a liar, bitch. You're a liar. We don't want you as no friend or no blood clot leader. Fuck you. Fuck you. You fail us all. You incompetent fool. Eh? After when you say we're not going to make you think better, we're going to make it worse. Pussy hole. Eh? Corona go on, every country give out stimulus and do lockdown. Yeah. If you not give out no stimulus, no lockdown can go on bumbo hole, you deaf? Make we catch corona and dead. Me so now beat up people for sell them blood clot goods. If they not sell them goods, how them pitney go eat suckwood? Bumbo clot, drunk. If the people them not sell, how them go eat pussy hole, you give out no stimulus? You give out stimulus, the people are hungry and bumbo clot and baffle. And the whole of the down there give laughing bumbuckle and pea soup. Pussy hole. Eh? Lockdown. Lockdown in a yard. Hungry and broke. Why stimulus the way I give if you go lockdown pan pussy hole? How we are going to how you lockdown country and a stimulus now give out? Pussy. Not even $1,000 a week for you pitney them. Not even $2,000-3,000 a week for you them to buy look a grocery. You just done sister that can't buy no grocery. Go suck your man. Go suck your man. You done see that. No stimulus now give out. People them hungry. People pitney them hungry. Pitney na yam. What the fuck you lock we down for do? Stop. How you want for blood clot shot man for dig up a tripe and bomb clot drop where you ground you out? Fuck we go blood clot. Go lock down for the yeah man. Bro, God say lockdown. Lockdown for what you think? I say we hungry. What the fuck we gonna lock down with the fridge empty? We not even bun and cheese. Money for your teeth cheese. I mean making people and teeth bumbo clot cheese. Money around no. Not even one look of stimulus to buy a look of cheese. I look of bun. Not even that pussy but you want to lock down the people. Go on, man.
Don't know. Big up Prettidon. Is what me say? And she's talking factual, you know? It's like she can't hold it no more, she just loose. Get out of the cannon and start rant and she tell Andrew honest. She talk facts, man. You see me? She's talking facts and the people them, what the people them forgot do? The people them get on there, some of them hopeless, helpless. You see me I say? Big up Acting who stepped in and start a foundation right now where people are coming to help, you know, and me I try to see if we can do something as well, pertaining to my constituency on a pain and this, you see me? And enough people in them want help too, but I don't know, me not have it, me not boss, me not have the money, you see me? And to me I deal it right now, just to survive for my kids them and working. You see me? But I would love to do some acting and do other artists, but me financially not that stable if I do it. But if me can use a platform to help anyone from pain or Deliquy Lane or so, or anywhere at all, it not have to come from pain or you see me? Anywhere at all. I see me do it for Africa, and some people get help for Africa there, Uganda. You see me? I say Gambia. So yeah man, this the platform there for you see me? But Andrew Coolness, bro, God, yeah man, Andrew Coolness, man, big nose boy there, yeah man, for go, man. You see me? No remorse, him sell out the people, them sell out them, he's part of the agenda, and it's like some of people blind for see. Because when you just stuck up with the politics in our brain. Stuck with politics in our brain. You see me, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lioness, no disrespect, but the truth is the truth, and facts is facts. We have to speak it as it is. He needs to go. He needs to step down. You see me? They're all crime against humanity. You see me? And in the end, it shall reveal. My viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. Don't know until next time. You know. Big up on the damn self. Stay safe. Alright? Yeah, man. Blessings.
God, that's my witness, not trick this. When I hear about judgment, long time I tell us I heard this.
Thanks for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will always get that alert when I post a new content. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. Until then, stay safe. Gone. Walk good. I'm out. God bless you.